Guys, I had to move inside. My Wi-Fi was not wanting to connect while I was on the back deck, so you can probably hear me a little bit better. Number 6, a ball is thrown upward from a height of 15 feet with an initial upward velocity of 5 feet per second squared. We are going to use the given formula. We knew that our A was negative 16 because we're working in feet. The C is our initial height, so that will be the 15 is our C value, our initial height, and our B value is 5, the initial velocity. So let's write our equation first. There goes my dishwasher. Hope you can still hear me. Negative 16 times t squared plus 5t plus 15. How long will it take for the ball to hit the ground? So again, that's an x-intercept. We're going to find the root, the 0. And so we're going to use, we're not trying to find the vertex. We don't want to know the maximum height, but just when it hits the ground. So I'm going to use my quadratic formula. I can see that none of these have a GCF, so I'm not going to go that route. So I'm going to come over here where I have plenty of room, and my x values, 1 is going to be negative, remember, because we're starting at 15. So let's just do that. Let's just draw a picture. So I'm throwing a ball, starting from a height of 15. It's going up, and then it comes down. And so we are looking to see how long it takes, how many seconds from the time it was launched at 0 seconds to this root here is what we're looking for. Again, this root here is negative. It's irrelevant. So negative, we have negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a negative 5 plus or minus. Calculator, well, we know 5 squared is 25. Now we have a negative times a positive, so that gives me a total of a positive. So 4 times 16 times 15. I get 960 over negative 32. I add 25 and 960 to give me 985 as a radicand over negative 32. We have two equations, negative 5 minus the square root of 985, all divided by negative 32, and we have negative 5 plus the square root of 985 divided by negative 32. Start with my subtract. So negative 5 minus the square root of 985 equals, divide that by negative 32, and I have to toggle this, and I get about 1.137. So let's just round to the 10th and say 1.1 seconds. So it takes 1.1 second for the ball to hit the ground. So this is 1.1.